Yep.
So for you to create a folder is very simple.
Okay.
If you want to create it on the desktop, this place now is called desktop. This place I covered now is your desktop. Okay. So if you want to create a folder here, what you do is you right click. Okay, and this menu will come out. If this menu come out, this is new. This place they write new. It means you want to create something new that is not here before. So this arrow here means that inside of this new there are so many options. But look at this one, there is no arrow here, right? So this one now I don't have arrow. If you highlight it, you will not see any option. These ones don't have any arrow, so you will not see option. But look at this one, I have arrow. Options will come out, right? This will also bring out the options. So our interest today is to create a folder and a file inside of it, right? So we go to new. This is the options we have, right? So from the options you can see what a folder. Now how do you click on it? You left click. Right? Now you have created a folder. This is the new folder. Now this new folder you can still, as you can see, the name is still highlighted. So let's change the name, right? So we are going to use folder to save it. So this is the name of the folder, right? So hit enter and the folder is saved. So this is our folder. Do you understand?
Yep.
Okay, allow it to open and I'll do it again. Now let me close it. So I want to open the folder. I'm pointing at it with my cursor. My cursor is pointing at it, right? I can click here, which is the right click, and it will give me options, and I'll click on the open, I'll left click to open. Alternatively, let me close it again. I can just double click, hit this twice together, and it will open. Right? So which one will be more convenient for you? I think for now what you should do, once you point your cursor at, bring out your options and then do what? Left click and it will open. So you can see this folder is what? Empty. We don't have anything inside of the folder. Right? And we want to create something new inside of the folder. So what do we do? What then now?
I know switch. Okay.
Right click and now menu will pop up. Right, so let's go to new again. So it's possible to create a folder inside of a folder. Right? It's possible to create a shortcut and all of this. So this is Microsoft Access database. So if you click on this now, you are creating a Microsoft Access file. But remember, the file I asked you to create is Microsoft Word file. So I'm going to click on this. This will enable me to create a new Microsoft Word document. Now this is a file, right? Hit enter. So I've created a file, and this is a Word document. Right? So I can rename this file. You know what I do? The options will come out again. Then come down here and see what? Rename. I want to give it a name. Let's say lesson. Right? This is the name of the file. I'll hit enter.
That's next.
Yes, that's it. So let me close it and then. So this is our folder. And inside of the folder, if you open the folder, what will you see inside? The Microsoft Word file. What is the name of the file? Lesson. Right. So did you learn this?
Yes.
Did Do you understand it?
Yes.
So you are going to do exactly what I have done.